Hi YouTube, it's Alex NCL here. I've had a few requests from my last video, how to bind keys in Call of Duty 2. People want to know how do I change my name really quick when I'm in gameplay. Now, how I do this, on the keyboard I've got keys number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 set up with all different names. So all I've got to do is press that button and my name will change straight away. So this is how I do it. Right, I need to open up Notepad. So first of all, Start menu, All Programs, Accessories, Notepad. Right, once I've got my Notepad open, type in setter name. Right, now the name that I use is Alex, so Alex. Now if I left it like that, it'd just be in white, but I use mine in colour. So if I want it in colour, I have to put the code in front of it. For those of you that don't know what the code is, I'll just quickly show you. That's your colour code there. If you put the up arrow and the corresponding number to the colour, that's what colour the letter will be. So yeah, there's your colour code. So once I've got that, what I need to do is save it. So if I go into the top left, click on File, scroll down to Save As, now you get your window that pops up. Down the bottom where it's got File Name, type in whatever you want to save it as, so I'll save this as Alex, but you must put .cfg. If you don't put .cfg, it won't work. Now up the top where it's got Save In, if you click the drop-down menu, scroll down to Local Disk C, Program Files, Activision, Call of Duty 2, and Main. Now you need to save it in that file, that folder there. I'm not going to do it because I've already got it there and I don't want to override what I've already done. So if we get rid of that, sorry about the bleep. Right, now that you've got it saved, you need to bind it to a key. For those of you that haven't watched my my first video, how to bind keys for Call of Duty 2, I suggest you watch it, because I'm just going to quickly run through how to do it. I'm not going to go into detail with it. Right, so what you need to do now, if you click on Start menu down the bottom, click on My Computer, Local Disk C, Program File, Activision, Call of Duty 2, Main, Players. Right, now there's a folder in there. Yours will be different. Yours will be named different from mine, because mine's my profile name's Alex, and that will be saved as whatever your profile name is. So click on that one. Right, now you've got a folder in there called config mp. You need to right click on that, scroll down to where it says open with, choose program, and you need to look for WordPad. You can open it with Notepad, but you can't read it properly, so it looks better if you open it with WordPad. So click on WordPad, click OK, and then that pops up. But you can't actually see what's in there, so what I've done is I've cut and pasted it onto a Notepad, so I can enlarge it so you can see what it actually says. So I'll just minimize that, open that one up. Right, that's what it looks like inside. It's got generated by Call of Duty, do not modify. Right, now what you need to do there is make a fresh line, put bind whatever key you want to bind it to, 1 for example. Press Shift number 2 to get your brackets and type in EXEC. Now EXEC stands for execute. Then you need to type in whatever you saved the file as, so mine was alex.cfg, and then again Shift and the little commas. Once you've done that, click on the X in the top right hand corner, again sorry about the bleep, and you'll get a window that pops up saying do you want to save the changes. Click yes. I'm not going to click yes because it's irrelevant to me, but once you've clicked yes, everything will shut down. Click no, sorry. Everything will shut down and you'll go back to your desktop again. Now that's done, when you go into your game, go onto your server, press the key that you want, that you've bound it to, and your name will change to that one. Some servers it doesn't change straight away. For argument's sake, search and destroy servers. It normally waits until you've been killed, and then when you respawn again, that's when your name will change. Team deathmatch and deathmatch, capture the flag, they normally change straight away. So if you've got more than one name, like I have, I've got 5. I've got mine bound to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just repeat the process, but instead of binding it to key 1, bind it to key 2, then key 3, key 4, key 5. And that's it. If you could comment on the video, please subscribe. If you've got any questions or you're having trouble, please leave a comment and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. If I can't help via text, I'll make a video for you. Please watch out for the next video because that one's going to be very helpful. I'm going to be doing how to improve your frames per second. I've got a few programs that I actually use that do help the frames per second, but there's also things that you can do as a player by adjusting your settings on the game. So yeah, please subscribe and comment. Thank you.